Hi you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a review on a new Gucci belt that I purchased last week, and I got it from San Jose Gucci store in Santana Row. One thing I love to do on my channel is every now and then I do like to talk about luxury items, because I do love luxury goods. A luxury item just makes me like so happy inside, and it has nothing to do like status or anything. I just like the quality. I just like the feel. It just so good. Okay, this is what my belt came in. It came inside this little bag here. Now the only thing that I'm not happy about is the Gucci store that I went to in San Jose did not for some reason have any boxes for their belts, which I was like, how do you run out of boxes for your belts? And this is like the only Gucci store here. I don't know. So let's go ahead and unbox this item. So the Gucci belt does come in this nice silky material dust bag, which I love so much, and it is drawstrings. I love keeping my items in the dust bags. So I've worn this belt one time already and I love it so much. So the kind of Gucci belt that I got is the skinny one. It's not the normal size Gucci belt, and this is the one with the double G's in black, and it's the size 90. And this one retails for $350 if I'm not mistaken. That's before tax. So this is black leather, and the actual material of the G's is an antique brass hardware with a double G buckle, and this is a 0.8 inch in width from here to here. Now I like the skinny one per se, just to wear as, you know, for high-waisted jeans. I feel like the regular size one that people usually get, I just feel like it's too big and it's kind of doing too much for me. That's just my opinion. But I just like this because I think it gives it like a subtle look to any of your outfits. I feel like you can wear this probably with like over a dress around your waist, or some high-waisted jeans like I have here right now. So yeah, so that's why I decided to get this belt. Now they do have this exact same one in two other colors, and I think it's like more of like a mauvey pinkish color, or a tan. No, it's kind of like a mauvey pink. And then they also have a tan one, which is more of a brown. But the brown one, it didn't really look too good in person, because I was actually thinking about getting that one as well. But it just looked kind of like vintage looking, which I was like, I don't really like that look. So I did just decide to get the black one. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a try on with this belt for y'all, so you can see how it looks on me. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my purse off. I also do have the Gucci Marmont mini bag. I also did a review on this bag, as well as a 1-year update review on this bag. So if you're interested in those videos, I will link it up above in the cards, as well in the description box for you all to view. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove my original belt that I had on. So you put this loop behind the back of the brass here. I'm going to just go ahead and buckle one button, and then you just thread this through here like that. So it'll look like that. Then also on the back of here, on the actual back of the belt, they have the Gucci logo. It says made in Italy there, and they also have the whole date code there. So this piece is pretty much to keep this loop intact from falling out. Okay, so that makes sense. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this belt on for you guys. Okay, so this is what the belt looks like on me. Remember, this is a size 90. Now I can't actually go to the last hole right here, but I prefer it not to be super duper tight, because you know, when a sis eat, you know, I need my space. So I just like it like this. And I also got the size 90 because I feel like if I was to wear my pants a little bit lower, I can wear it and it'll still be okay. So Yes, that's why I prefer the size 90. But if I wanted to purchase two belts, which I don't know if it's just gonna do that, but I would probably get a size 85 in order to drop the to tighten up the belt. But I believe you can actually get extra holes into your belt, but the only thing is, if you do apply more holes into the belt, you can't return it if you are thinking about returning it. And I think it also voids out like the whole warranty if something was to happen to your belt. So if something was to crack or break or chip or peel, I think they just wouldn't do nothing about it because you already altered the actual original piece. So yeah, so I would suggest, you know, really deciding on exactly what size that you want before purchasing it, because you don't want to just add holes in it and then all of a sudden you be like, oh, I don't really want it no more, because now you can't return it, nor if something happens to it, you can't bring it in for repairs, supposedly. But if things change, just let me know down in the comments below, because I kind of do want to add like one more hole, but I don't really need to now, unless, you know, I get a little slim, then I might have to add a hole or two. Okay, so I was also thinking about doing different ways how to actually wear this belt. So if you're interested in seeing different ways how to wear and style this belt, go ahead and comment down below in the comment box, and also give this video a nice thumbs up if you do want to see a styling video with this belt. Okay, so if you did enjoy this video, go ahead and give this video a nice thumbs up, and if you haven't already, go ahead and click that subscribe button down below and turn it gray, and also hit that bell button so you're notified every single time when I post a new video. Bye guys.